After the grand success of Achiever Planner 1 and having delivered more than 2,000 planners in 60 plus countries, we are introducing a new product range of creative planners with 2 different sizes for 2022. Introducing Smart B5 Landscape Size, which comes in 12 different options of premium designer PU leather and creative embossed designs on the front. The planner also contains a large pen and mobile pocket at the back. Achiever Planner 2 has 15 unique and creative layouts that can bring out the change within you. For example, body measurements and tracker. Check your daily, weekly body measurement and track it. You can keep track of your weight, bicep, waist, and any other concerned body parts. Fitness planning. Keeping a workout planner is one of the best ways to kickstart your fitness regime. Planning your weekly fitness exercise will make sure that your fitness regime is in balance with your work and family life. Meal planning. A weekly meal plan can help you to maintain a healthful diet and manage your fitness and weight. It can also save time and be cost effective. A 7-day meal planning layout can help someone maintain a nourishing and nutritious diet. Monthly goal setting. Visualize your monthly goal and to-do lists and task plan your valuable time for the entire month. Monthly task mind mapping. Visualize your monthly task, to-do lists, and plan your time for the entire month. Weekly planner. Weekly overviews allow you to track your weekly schedule, and you can keep your daily activities more focused and more productive. Self-reflection. Ensure you stay connected with yourself for self-reflection. It's essential to find what you think and how you can be better every time. This is not just an ordinary planner, but it is a combination of your daily roadmap plus goal and target setting plus setting your priorities. So please, back Achiever Planner and prepare yourself to take command of your lifestyle and achieve your goals.